We are gonna listen to this vine sing right now. Let's hear it play some music.
I really enjoy listening to philodendron and snake plants. Any plant that inspires me along the way on a hike with a beautiful view.
Let's tune into the sounds played by this plant.
We just attach 2 sensors to a plant's leaves, and PlantWave detects these slight variations that are happening in plants based on them moving water around. We graph those variations as a wave, translate them into pitch, and then run those pitch messages through instruments that we design. So the result is this continuous stream of pleasing music that gives us all this sonic window into the secret life of plants. Many of you have been asking, what would a redwood tree sound like? Let's see what melodies it creates when we connect the PlantWave. If a plant is really underwatered, it might play just a few notes, whereas if a plant is really healthy and thriving, it will be going through like the whole range.
Looks like we have a plant here that may not have made it through this heat. So let's check it out. Let's see if it can make any music. Yeah, nothing. Let's see what happens when I water the plant. Let's listen.
Every plant is different and every leaf is different.
So here we are listening to this rubber tree. And now let's check out this pothos. PlantWave actually works with mushrooms as well. So let's check it out.
Most of the time with mushrooms though, the mushrooms are growing out of a dead plant. And so you're actually hearing the connection between 2 mushrooms through a dead plant. The development of PlantWave started back in 2011 when I started a record label called Data Garden, and it was a zero waste record label. My friends and I got together and started to